YouTube. Today's Wednesday and it is the first day that I'm running this new product, so I'm very excited today, even though it doesn't look like I am because I'm very tired too. I already have most of my day planned out and I'm about to head to school in like 20 minutes, but planning your day out is actually very useful, and if you're an entrepreneur like me, I really suggest you try it out. All millionaires, billionaires, they all do this. And my day isn't just set in stone. Like, most of these things I end up changing along the way, but putting in the extra time to just plan out my day increases my productivity, increases how well I'm managing my time, and it just tells me what I need to be doing. Like, I could be slacking off and then I'll see like this notification that I need to be working, then I just snap and focus on working.
Chill with all this pressure, bro. Chill with all this pressure, bro.
Growth comes in phases. That's it, there it is. I'm heading home from school right now. Try to get all my homework done in school so that I have a lot more time to work outside of school. It's so much better being a senior this year because you get so much more time, and I get 2 more periods off, so I get to leave early from school and get more work done, and I'm going to use that to my advantage so that I can beat out my competitors. So when I get home in a few minutes, I'm going to start my first steep work session, and what I'm working on is really just finishing all the school work I have before I can like actually focus on my business. And then I'm also going to be filming for my new product, which I cannot show once again because my competitors will steal it and steal the profits that I could be making. But I am really excited to start running this product because I'm just happy to be moving towards my goals. And as you can see, if you watched my last video, I got a car. I spent about $11K on it. My dad helped me out a little bit there too. This car was basically like my entire bank account. Like, I really don't have much left. So that's even more of a reason to get back and get on that grind so I can make some money. Damn. It is, you're right. It's hard to film with you here. So early in the video, I said that I wasn't gonna show my dropshipping product, but I lied. I realized it doesn't really matter because my audience right now isn't really filled with dropshipping people anyway. So I'm gonna show you the product in a bit. I just want to show you how beautiful this place is. All right, so this is the product. It's a mini camera, and I just started recording for it today. That's why we have to go to such cool places like these. For the first few days when you're filming with a new product, you have to kind of get used to how to film with it. And that's basically what I'm doing right now with the dropshipping guru, Anthony Fernandez. Since you're here right now, Anthony, why don't you enlighten us? I'm gonna ask you a question, okay?
Okay.
All right. So for people that are starting out dropshipping, what do you think is most important for them to have? Like, to be
Dedicated, persistence. It's a long journey, and if you're not crazy about it and obsessed with it, you're gonna end up failing. I think that every single person has the potential to make tons of money and succeed in anything, but you have to be insanely dedicated to be able to make it work, because most people take 3 to 4 months before making any money whatsoever with dropshipping. So if you want to be someone that succeeds with it, you have to be willing to put in hours per day every single day for months before you make any money. So yeah, gotta be dedicated.
Thank you. I agree. You heard him. looking back at all the footage I took earlier, and oh my god, I want to travel so bad. Like, the world is actually so beautiful. And I've only been exposed to like 0.001% of the entire world. After I finished filming the videos, me and my friend Anthony just decided to explore the rich neighborhoods that were around the place that we were just at, and just seeing those insanely massive houses and insanely nice cars, it just motivates me so much. Even though I'm not doing all this entrepreneurship for materialistic objects, like, it's just such a crazy byproduct of all that I'm working for. Anyways, I'm gonna edit some of the footage I took earlier for my dropshipping products, and when I finish one, I'll show you the final product of what it's supposed to look like. Bro, I just spilled water on my laptop and listened to this. Oh man, what do I do? So I basically just spilled water all over my laptop. So I was not able to do the edits because I was getting water out of my laptop that entire time. Yeah. So my laptop actually broke and cost me about $800 to repair, but what are you gonna do, right? So that's why this video is taking so long to upload. So I wasn't able to edit on my laptop for a little while. Now that I'm able to, because I got my laptop repaired, I'm just gonna go in depth a little bit about how I'm thinking when I'm editing these videos. Like talking about the hand movements, the text, the background, the target audience, and basically everything you need to know when you're recording a video. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. Now I'm going to show you one of the videos that I made. First, let's just watch it. So right off the bat, you see my hook. I'm pulling it out of my pocket, making it a little more interesting for the viewers because they're thinking like, all right, this dude got something in his pocket. Like, what is he pulling out, you know? And my text is the hook too. It'll get my target audience thinking like, what can make this video look so nostalgic? And then they see the product. And I'm just doing a bunch of different hand movements just to show off the camera more, showing proof of what it can do here in this clip. And the main value of this product is that it makes your videos look nostalgic, like in these videos, because the videos make it look like it's a old retro camcorder. And in my videos, I'm kind of catering towards a specific type of person who I want to view this. Just looking at this product, I would think like the majority of people who want this are females that most likely want to bring it to parties to make cool videos or pictures. So in these clips, I'm showing like girls having fun partying. When you're making any kind of dropshipping video, you need to add some sort of controversy so that people are commenting and being like, yo, what is that? Because that will increase your viewer count just by more people commenting. You always want a controversy if you can put it in your video. This video I put a 9/11 clip and I got people commenting about it. All right, I can't show the comments for some reason, but the point of it is you just want people to see it and be like, what? Like, that doesn't make sense. And then they comment about it. All these clips are just girls partying and stuff, which is what my target audience wants. So you have to think about these types of things when you're making these videos. And also when you're coming up with ideas for videos, you should look off other people that have the same product or a similar product so that you can see what works for them, what's making their videos go viral, and copy that exactly. Or tweak it a little bit and make it your own. For this text, another person running a similar product went viral with this text, so I copied that part. And it didn't go viral, but sometimes it will. So you just got to keep producing good quality videos and eventually you're bound to go viral. Okay, back to the video. It's 9:24 and I'd rather just save my sleep. I'm going to do a quick workout and then head to sleep. And just a little update to my physique. I've lost 15 pounds over the last 2 months because in soccer I've been doing so much running. Second of all, I got injured. Not once, but 2 times in one season. 2 times in one season. Like, how does that even happen? First, I popped 2 of my ribs, and then I dislocated my kneecap. Like, what the very unlucky for my senior year, but it is what it is. And I haven't been able to go to my gym because my membership ended just before school started. So, and like I said in the beginning, since I bought my car, I don't have the money to even buy a membership at my gym. At least I have a home gym. So every night I've just been doing
quick workout before I go to sleep. Just letting you guys know, like, I'm not trying to act like a victim. I know I'm very blessed. I just actually have no money right now, which is why I just need to put my head down and work for a couple of months. So I'm just going to keep getting better at dropshipping and make a product work and get some cash flow. That's the plan. And if you read this title and you're confused what Q4 is, Q4 means quarter four, which is, it's just going along with the season. So it's like the last quarter of the year. So the last 3 months starting with October. But in Q4, most businesses do their best because it's the holidays and most people are just spending a lot of money online, buying gifts for other people. And that's why I really need to grind this Q4. So I'm just going to hit a really quick workout, and thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Please like and subscribe. And as always, I hope you guys have a focused, happy, and productive day.